Hey, my name is Gonzalo. I'm an assistant manager at an apartment complex consisting of 231 units. Hi.
Gonzalo, hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yes, hey, I'm Mark.
Hi,
I'm Mark with John Owens. I'm the sales manager. And we just wanted to come by and just thank you for all the business that you've done here at Valley Oak Park, and just to kind of get some feedback from you as to what the project was, and just some questions about why you went with John Owens Services for this project, and tell us a little bit about what you did.
Yeah, so before these Rinnai units were put in, which are great units compared to what was before, we used to have a different boiler, and our previous boiler was giving us so much trouble, especially with all the parts were costing us a lot of money. They weren't worth the investment into trying to get into the condensing units and what we had before. So we were throwing a lot of money. Parts are expensive, and we were like, we need to have this replaced, cut our losses of what we don't have anymore, and then go to these Rinnais, and yeah, I mean, called you guys. I think you guys were the first ones that we're interested in coming out, and we tried out one of the units when we had in another place, and it worked out really good. And so we're like, hey, we got 9 more of these to go.
Okay.
Can we put these in every single one of them, because these are great.
Right. So let's go through what actually we did. How many different mechanical rooms you had, and just kind of real quick how we what work we actually did for you. So how much we covered of this place.
So so there's 10 mechanical rooms, and we guys pretty replumbed pretty much everything that's here from like here on out. Everything's out. A lot of it was PEX, because we love the PEX here. We got a lot of pinhole leaks, so the PEX really helps from us for as far as a maintenance standpoint. We don't got to go back and come back and take care of it. But gave us a lot of room to use this room for be able to work on it, which is great. I mean, we had a great, and it's the noise too. So we got the tenants nearby, and a lot of the noise that they're not hearing anymore. These are very quiet units.
Right, you see the tenants are really right next door here.
Yeah, they're very happy with what. We've had in other places, and including here, we had a complaint like, hey, in the middle of the night,
it's too noisy.
It's too noisy, and these are like, hey, they don't even know these are on anymore because they're so quiet.
Right. So tell us why why you went with John Owens. I know you had been talking to other contractors. Why did you go with us, and how did you find working with us in terms of just the people? You've met half of our company already, so people coming and going, and then fixing issues. Just give us a little background on that. Yeah. So
we're John Owens. You guys have I've seen your guys' trucks. So I was like, well, let's just give him a call and try one of the numbers that's on the board. So we're like, well, and then so I called him and I explained what our system is, and if you guys work on these type of hydronic systems, and it's like, yeah, we'll come and take a look, and they came and take a look, because I called them also because we had an issue with one of our units.
Right.
And that unit was already deemed to be replaced, but I just needed a second opinion from a different company. And then you guys gave me the same results and said, yeah, it needs to be replaced. And we're like, okay, well, let's do it. Let's replace it. And you guys gave me a quote. We compared it with other quotes, and I was like, well, we'll just go with John Owens this time and see what we got going on.
Okay.
But
And as far as working with us, while the work was going on, was it no issues?
No issues whatsoever. It was pretty streamlined. I like the idea that when I get messages through text messages saying like, hey, we got so and so coming in tomorrow, your appointment time is this, and we'll be there at this time. and having somebody, hey, and it gives you names, so you know we'll
Right.
be here.
Jeff is coming out.
Jeff
Dave
is coming. Dave is coming out, and
right.
so that's kind
So
of
good
nice.
communication, good follow through, and you know, and I know they worked out the pricing for you. So would you recommend us to other multifamily
Oh, yeah.
projects?
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, multifamily complexes.
You know, if you need any help or recommendations or anything from John Owens, it's a great company to go with it. I definitely recommend them. Definitely recommend it.